Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to install or set up Windows 11 version 25H2 or version 24H2 with a local account. So when you are installing Windows 11, you have this OOBE setup screen, and here you have to make a right choice so that you can set up Windows 11 with local account. So usually what we do is we select setup for personal use option, and after this it provided the option to continue with the limited setup, and this was for previous editions, but now that option is removed and you only have the option here to sign in. And when you click on the sign in button, it will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. Even if I click here sign in options, you can see that here we can sign in with face, fingerprint, pin or security key, but there is no option for setting up the local account. So how to set up the local account then? Well, here is the solution. You have to simply click on the back in this screen where it is asking you to add the Microsoft account, and then click on the backward arrow and go back to the how would you like to set up this device screen. Now here you have to choose setup for work or school and then click next. On some editions, when you select setup for work or school, again it will ask you to sign in with Microsoft account, but at this stage you can click on sign in options and select domain join instead. Once you select domain join instead, so now let's continue with the version 24H2 screen, and here at this stage you can see that both the versions have same screen. After this all the steps are same, just enter your local account name here, then it is asking for the password. You can enter a password or leave it blank. Then select the privacy settings and click next, and now you can carry on the setup as usual, and now Windows 11 will be finally set up with the local account. So this is how you can set up the newer version of Windows 11 with local account. For setting up previous versions of Windows 11 with local account, I have already shared a video guide which uses the command prompt method to unlock the local account option. You can also check out that video on this card. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.